we gaan zo beginnen.
I don't have the information about it, so I cannot tell you. You know that? Is it the most
And maybe discuss some things that your ideas are, or what are the problems and how can we help. And we saw some great things in the Manila area in the Philippines already on the best management practicals, so to say. We would like to learn from you as well what we can do about water management. So it's a knowledge exchange. So, and of course the closing. And I think we'll be ready about 11 or in that region. Okay? Well, first of all, maybe a further introduction. You saw a logo of TAL, that's one of the companies I work for. It's a consulting agency in Europe, but it works all around the world. So it's a consulting company. There are 1,100 consultants working there, and we have a lot of offices around the world basically. So we do with soil remediation, we do with civil engineering, with water. Basically it's a large company that deals with a lot of things. So
construction ongoing, and they should be planning to include a catch basin.
Yes, yeah, exactly. It's always hard to get all the actors in place, basically, and because we're dealing with a lot of people from the roads and from green and that are of interest. But what we did mostly in Europe is to get them on board in a workshop. So we explain them because they know what the problem is. They saw the pictures of the floodings. And most people know that they want to do something about it, you know. And the best thing is to make them part of a solution, you know. And of course it's hard because I don't know exactly how the regulations are in Manila. And I really need your help on that, and I really need your help, organization. But about explaining or get people on board and explaining that they do this for a higher cost. Basically, the floods, everybody gets affected. You know, 2 years ago, when the whole Manila was flooded. They should be aware of we have to do something. And, but it's a hard task, of course. Participation of people or actors is one of the difficult things, so it's a very good question.
Who of you likes to live on the land? That's good, that's good. Who of you would like to live on the water, on the floating house? Nobody? Then I stop right now. I'll introduce myself. My name is Marius Palsma. Floris and I, we've been colleagues, and I'm working as a specialist on water management in urban developing areas. And I've also had a company, we were making floating nature. And I will tell a little bit about the floating houses, which was also the workshop in Rotterdam was all about. And then I will try to show you some things we made in Holland, which was made for floating green. It's to inspire you and see that also in very simple ways, with local materials, you can build really nice things on the water. Yeah, this is a floating island. It's a floating island. It can go. I've been going like this close to the sea and back and quite a few places. Center part. Amsterdam Central. Yeah. I'll show you some more pictures. You see, everybody's rowing and we're going. This is also a kind of park. This is floating on the water, on the foundations. I will show you something about it. To make floating nature, we only use EBS, we use rope, and fishing nets, old fishing nets. You just bind them together, and then you can make a structure of 10 or 200 or 400 or 500 square meters, and it's really stable. No, I explain. We make a plan because we always we make first a plan before we start doing something.